Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the melody of your alarm clock on your iPhone. Subscribe to the channel, write your comments, put likes. Let's get started. So, first we're going to need to go to the Time app. I have it on my work screen. If you don't have it here, then you can easily find it by swiping down on the screen. We get a search box that pops up. In order to find the app, we just type in the word clock. And we can see that we have this application appear at the top. Since it's installed by default on all iPhones, you can easily find it. So, we click on it to open it up. And here we have different subsections: timer, stopwatch, and alarm clock. So how do we change the alarm tone? To do that, select some kind of alarm clock. Set the time. Then you can also set which days it will play or every day. And then to change the tune, you'll need to click on the word tune. And here, if you scroll down, you will see some free tunes that iPhone provides you. In order to change that default ringtone, you just have to click on some other one. And choose for yourself a ringtone that you like. If you don't like any of the tones from the ones provided here, then you can go to the tone vaults in order to buy some of the tones for yourself. Here you will have a big list from iTunes. You can buy any of these tones and just set it as a ringtone. Let's say you've selected a certain ringtone. And how do you realize that it's set for that? When you click on the ringtone, a check mark appears next to it and you just click back. That's it. Now you have this melody installed on this alarm clock. If you want to set a different melody on another alarm clock, it is very easy to do. We do the same thing. Go to the other alarm clock, click on Sound. And this is where we select one of the tunes. We press back, and now we have a different tune set for the other alarm clock. This is the easy way to change the melody of your alarm clock on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.